Creating a healthy and delicious pasta salad involves selecting nutritious ingredients, cooking the pasta properly, and combining everything with a flavorful yet light dressing. Here's a step-by-step guide. Let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. For the pasta and vegetables, you will need 8 ounces of whole grain or gluten-free pasta. Choose a shape like fusilli, penne, or farfalle. You'll also need 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes, 1 cup of diced cucumbers, 1 cup of diced bell peppers of any color, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped red onion, half a cup of shredded or julienned carrots, 1 cup of blanched broccoli florets, and half a cup of sliced black olives, though these are optional. Don't forget about a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh herbs such as basil, parsley, or dill. For optional add-ins, consider half a cup of crumbled feta or cubed mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of grilled chicken, tofu, or chickpeas for protein, half a cup of diced apples or grapes for a fruity touch, and a 1/4 cup of toasted pine nuts or sunflower seeds. For the dressing, you'll need a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, red wine, balsamic, or apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup for a vegan option, 1 minced garlic clove, and salt and pepper to taste. Lastly, add 1 teaspoon of dried herbs such as oregano, basil, or Italian seasoning. Step 1. Cook the pasta. Start by bringing a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add the pasta and cook according to the package instructions until al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta and rinse under cold water to stop the cooking process and cool it down. Then set it aside. Step 2. Prepare the vegetables. Begin by rinsing and halving the cherry tomatoes. Wash and dice the cucumbers. Wash, core, and dice the bell peppers. Peel and finely chop the red onion. Peel and either shred or julienne the carrots. Finally, blanch the broccoli florets by boiling them for 1 to 2 minutes, then transfer them to ice water to cool. Step 3. Prepare optional add-ins. If you're adding cheese, go ahead and crumble or cube it according to your preference. For those of you using a protein source like grilled chicken or tofu, make sure it's cooked and then dice it up. If chickpeas are more your style, simply rinse and drain them. Moving on to fruits, wash and dice the apples, or if you're using grapes, just halve them. Lastly, for a bit of crunch, toast any nuts or seeds in a dry skillet over medium heat until they become fragrant, which should take about 3 to 5 minutes. Step 4. Make the dressing. In a small bowl or a jar with a lid, combine the olive oil, vinegar, lemon juice, mustard, honey, minced garlic, salt, pepper, and dried herbs. Whisk the ingredients together in the bowl, or shake the jar until the dressing is well combined and emulsified. Step 5. Assemble the salad. In a large mixing bowl, combine the cooked pasta and prepared vegetables. Then add any additional ingredients like cheese, protein, fruits, or nuts and seeds. Next, pour the dressing over the pasta salad. Gently toss to combine, ensuring all ingredients are coated with the dressing. Step 6. Serve. For the best flavor, cover the salad and chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Before serving, garnish with fresh herbs and any final touches like extra nuts or cheese on top. Here are some tips for customization and storage. Feel free to customize the salad with your favorite ingredients or seasonal produce. Store leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. For a flavor boost, add a splash of extra dressing or a squeeze of lemon juice before serving if needed. Enjoy your healthy and delicious pasta salad.